Good evening. Thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Karen Lair. Firefighters from Australia and New Zealand are in Boise this weekend, joining the fight against wildfires across the West. The crews touching down at the Boise airport just last night are already undergoing training at NIFC this afternoon. 6 on your side's Madeline White reports.
With wildfires raging in parts of Idaho, California, and Oregon, the National Interagency Fire Center in Boise is calling on a little help from our friends.
Thankfully, Australia and New Zealand, they have similar fire seasons like we do in the U.S., so they have a lot of firefighters that are trained in fighting fire, just like our firefighters here.
More than 160 Australian and New Zealander firefighters landed in Boise Saturday night to assist with suppression efforts. Peter McKechnie says for more than 20 years, the countries have stepped in to help in crises.
We've had people moving between the countries when we've needed to. When we've had bad fire seasons, the Americans have come and helped us.
Gardetto says anytime there is an abnormal amount of fire activity, positions highest in demand are management positions.
And thankfully, these Australians and these New Zealanders are going to be able to provide that.
An induction held at the National Interagency Fire Center in Boise is designed to help them acclimate.
It's just to make sure that they understand local procedures, how things are described on the fire line in America compared to how they're described in Australia.
And then we also work with them on fire shelter training, because firefighters in Australia and New Zealand don't have to carry fire shelters like our firefighters do in the United States.
One firefighter says he's looking forward to learning on the job.
Yeah, just learn how things operate and see different countryside and meet different people.
Madeline White, 6 on your side.
Now, the terrain in California and the Northwest is very similar to the type of terrain these crews are used to working in. The international firefighters will be dispatched to Northern California tomorrow.